Hey, welcome everybody. Welcome back. Welcome to the show. What is happening? We had quite a, let's just say, difficult London session. Oh, it wasn't that difficult, but eventually, look at that. We got to the 15-minute fair value gap. Now, my long position from London ended up in a break even, but hey, it's still good. No big deal. No big deal. I passed the MyFundedFutures eval, so I'm happy about it. Hershow, good to see you. Hey, where have you been? Nate, what up? Yeah, it's going to be a short day. Exactly, but be careful. This is going to count like today and tomorrow as one day. Dominic, hello. Rob the Scalper. Gurkop, good to see you again. Hentak Lake, hello, greetings, you're back too. Nice to see you back. Thanks for joining. Farhad is here, hello. Green, what's up? VIP Global is here. Alright, let's start this. Alright. Well, as we talked about this 5-minute fair value gap has been technically, let's just say, mitigated. I'm just curious, how did it look on the mini? Did it go up there? It actually starts 89.50. It didn't go up there. Highest point was 89. So, okay, that's interesting. Let's look at the micro. I think it's, oh, it's 90. Okay. So it's 90. The highest point on the micro was also 90. We can still go back. And you know why? Because of the mini. Didn't go there. So there could be just a liquidity sweep here. And this would be the market open, which we don't have. And so I'm kind of curious. Does this thing want to go up there? Maybe for a scalp trade, you know. Why not? I'm not sure, to be honest, but maybe it wants to go. Anyway, what else do we have? Did I catch the Trump EU rocket this morning? No, I did not. What was the news? Osama, hello. Yannick, welcome back. Shenanigan is here as well. Welcome. I don't know which one was that. I have to check on the news much more often. I think it wants to tag the 89.50 again. Not really sure, but I think that's where it wants to go. Before anything else happens. Oh, the 50% delay tariff. Oh yeah. I was reading that. So that's the rocket. Okay. Well, they were talking about it last week. I was reading an article last week that most likely there's going to be some kind of a deal. Maybe Trump is going to pull back from the tariffs or something. I'm not sure. And it seems like the deal got delayed as well. So yeah, interesting. Okay, so did we go up to the 90s yet? Did the mini go up there? Oh yeah, it did. Okay, there you go. So now finally the mini went up to 90.50. And I think the micro will do it too. All right. Good to know. There you go. So the 15-minute gap has been taken. Now there's an order block high up there. possible buy side liquidity, 337.75 on the micro, and so far that's it. There's another order block starting at 312. It can also go up there. Gotta be careful. If we crash, I have to come to Uruguay. Hungary. Okay, I thought Uruguay. Hungary, yeah. Yeah, definitely. I mean, real estate so far, I mean, it's going up as well. Like, it's getting more and more expensive, but I guess it's still a little bit more cheaper than some places. Okay. Ugh. I think we're gonna go higher to 312 based on the 1 hour order block to the left here on last Wednesday, and then 337 most likely. So we'll see. What else do we have? Let's let these here. Yeah, it depends where you look at it, you know. 337. Okay, I think we're still definitely bullish until 337, and 312 is the next stop. Yonix, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Well, it's just 30 points, so waiting for a trade. Spread is, yeah, spread is definitely higher right now. Yeah. Your property with a bigger garden area. I mean, yeah. Our family house. I mean, I live in an apartment, and our family house where my mother lives, that's in another town. We have a nice big garden, you know. So that's where she lives, but I don't live there. I live in another city, so I'm just renting an apartment here. But yeah, we have gardens here as well, a nice park and everything. Fandy, hello, welcome. Well, I'm not expecting too much movement here. I wasn't even sure if I should come up to the stream, and you know, I wasn't sure what to do because this price action right now, I mean, I'm not expecting a miracle, that's for sure. I'm gonna delete these lines. I think we're gonna stay bullish. Bullish breaker here. This 5 minute is gonna close like this, then OTE would be somewhere around this 281. So we'll see. Lizelle, good to see you. I mean, it depends on what kind of apartment are you renting, you know, because there are obviously cheaper apartments, smaller ones. It depends on if you have a garage for your car. What kind of garage is it? Is it just a spot on the street there where you can park, or you know, or how many square meters? Do you have a balcony? Is it like a modern build, or is it like in the older city? You know, lots of factors. But I would say the cheapest right now, which is a modest one with no garage, so you have to park your car somewhere on the street. It's up to you where. So without a garage, the cheap ones here where I live, you can rent one for like $500, $450 maybe, 450, 500. Like a modest apartment, like 40, 45 square meters, 45 square meters, between 45, 50 square meters, I would say you can get one for $500 with no garage. Okay. So that's 2 bedrooms, like, yeah, basically 2 rooms. Like if you're looking for something with a garage and you're looking for at least 3 bedrooms with balcony, with a modern build, I can actually show you guys, if you want, I can show you guys a picture of the building where I live. Now you can get those for somewhere from anywhere from $700 to $1,200 a month. So there's a wide range here. So let me show you, for example, a picture of where I live. For example, the place where I live, I mean, I'm trying to look for a a photo that is like, so this is a place where I live. Let me show you. You don't know which is my apartment, but this is kind of an apartment complex where I live. So I'm not going to tell you guys which is my apartment. I'm not going to tell you, but I live in one of these buildings. And you can park the car here, and there's a garage, if you see it right here. You can go down with the car. And obviously there's penthouses up here, and there's also the middle floor, and there's also the base floor or first floor. I don't even know what to call it. And so in this area, if you want to rent a house, I mean apartment, it's anywhere between 800, well, at least 900, 800, 900 dollars or higher. I know that, for example, the penthouse here, this up there, which has the whole floor, this is for rent. Now it's for rent for, hold on, it's for rent for $1,000, and which is a good price for it. This here, this is for rent for $1,000 here, the top floor. So, I mean, it's a nice area here, you know. Young teacher, nice skyscraper apartment in Thailand, $500. Wow, that's nice. Yeah, yeah, it looks great. Rich millionaire, yeah. Yeah, sure. How many bedroom? In my apartment, so I have 3 bedrooms. But while I live here with my girlfriend, and I use this. This is the smaller room. So right now, where I stream from, this is the smallest bedroom. Basically, this has been turned into a working space for me. And so we have the bedroom, which is right there. I point my finger. The rollerblades are now shut down, but you can see the door right there where I point. So that's a bedroom, and a little bit to the to the other side there is one more small bedroom, but that bedroom is all for her clothes, like a wardrobe. You know, I mean I don't know what to say. Like, all her clothes needs a separate bedroom. You know. So I have a 3 bedroom one. Hey, FW, what up? Thank you so much, man. Hey, I wish the same as well, everybody, to everybody. So if you could buy, yeah, if you could buy one of these, for example, on the middle floor. The penthouses are always more expensive, but somewhere on the middle floor, it could cost around, at least the bare minimum would be $200,000. The bare minimum. 200, 250K depends on the square meter and how many bedrooms does it have. But the bare minimum is $200,000. Not the top floor, middle floor, or the first floor, basement. I don't know. So at least 200K to buy it, at least. Yeah, good parking lot. Yeah, actually, yeah. Yeah, she's a woman. She needs this. So she basically commandeered a bedroom to all her clothes. So, and now I'm forced here. This is the smallest room basically, but as I said, I turned into. You guys don't see it, but in this side, way in the back, are all my clothes, and that's it. So I'm forced into this small room. Oh, we have some other closets as well. Anyway, yeah, I actually John, I actually talked about this with the landlord, and because I have a small company, we made a new contract. So basically, the small company's address has been established here, so I can write down the rent as an expense for business purposes. You know, that's actually a good thing. A little secret there. No, not a big deal actually. So that's a good thing. It's helping me with the tax actually. This is Hungary. Center of Europe, Hungary. But I don't live in Budapest. I live 90 kilometers south. By the way, Lizelle, it is partially my plan because I like to live here even if we move away. One of my plan is to buy an apartment here because it's in a good area, very good area. And so it's that it actually came to my mind quite a lot of time. So, and the landlord is actually, they are very nice. They're very absolutely normal and great people. And they actually told me, not now, but maybe in a few years, they might be thinking of it to sell it. And so I also told them, please let me know the first place if you guys want to sell, because I'm just interested, you know. Yeah, I know. I mean, Switzerland is definitely, I mean, nice places, of course, not just prices, but it has to be much, much nicer. What's Switzerland? We can show. We can do a party, you know. Buy 200K here in my country. What? No way. Out of my computer, my lease, my books, everything. Yeah, I want to buy a laptop too, and I also want to write that off. So I'm still thinking to refurbish my old one or buy a new one, but I think I might gonna buy a new one. $3K for apartment, 5 rooms. Yeah, so that's why, Natasha. Yeah, the prices are, I mean, it's not extremely far from here, and still the prices are way different. Yeah, I've been told, Lizelle. I've been told. They told me I'm a nice guy. They definitely don't want to look for anyone else, so there's no problem with me. I actually always taking good care of the property. If there's some issue came up, I always you know, made sure that it's okay, and you know. Hey, Andy, are you Hungarian? Andy could be a Hungarian name or could be just not, but anyway, greetings from Austria. Hello. Nice guy outside, but you know, watch what I do in the evenings. Austrian, but oh, we are neighbors for sure. Andy, welcome. Good to see you. I love Austria, man. I just love it. I love Austria, Germany, Switzerland, all these countries to the left in trading terms. If I look to the left, I like Austria, Switzerland, and Germany. I always like to go there for some vacation or tours or whatever. Such a beautiful places there. I was in my favorite place in Austria. I've been there actually 3 times now. Is the lake Achensee in Tyrol? That's Tyrol, right? Pertisau. We were in Pertisau 3 times now at Lake Achensee, and we spent some beautiful time there. It's just such a beautiful. It's like a dream to be there. Yeah, no volume. Gold is moving. I was actually hoping that we will see a spike up there to the 330s. You lost here for Germany. Too much tax or something. Bomb or Nostrum. Oh, I see. Yeah. So that's. Well, I know. Yeah, and that's where the politics and the world things come in, which is not such a good thing. And I know, I can imagine the feeling. What can we do? I mean, I don't know. Speaking of which, I'm thinking to maybe enter a trade, but I'm not sure. I was actually thinking to enter a long position, but I don't think I want to force it. Maybe on an eval. I'm still looking for this one to pop higher, you know, take out that order block. I mean, we are already in the order block, but we might want to go up there and completely destroy it. Can you see now the buy in NQ? It's back to breaker. Yeah, I mean, this is a breaker here, bullish breaker. So if anyone wants to go for the order block high at 37.75 here you go. The risk to reward ratio is still good, at least 1-to-1. I heard about that, by the way, that Germany has high prices for energy. I haven't looked into it. Same there. Teak, hello, welcome. I'm in Hungary, Europe. Europe. You know, center. I mean, not Budapest, but Germany is broken. Oh, that's sad to hear, Natasha. Well, Hungary is broken in a way. So I don't really want to go down into politics, but you know, Hungary, I told you guys many times that Hungary is broken in a way. So people are very desperate about the situation. So I know. Anyway, yeah, it's gonna be a slow movement here. And by the way, since we have more people here, I'm gonna make a phone call a little bit later to with MyFundedFutures. For now, it seems like I'm gonna be appearing tomorrow after 11:30 a.m. At MyFundedFutures TV. So I hope I can see you guys there as well. I mean, tomorrow there's gonna be London and New York stream on my channel, and at 11:30 I'm gonna be signing on to MyFundedFutures TV. I'm very excited, to be honest. So I still have to talk with them today. I know it's a holiday there, but they told me to call them, and I'm very excited. I don't even know how it's gonna go, but this is gonna be a test run, and I'm gonna be on not just tomorrow, but seems like until the whole week. And if they see me good, then I might be taking it every single day. So I might be there every day as well on my own channel and there too. But now it's a test run, so hope to see you guys there as well. Yeah, definitely, Natasha. Be careful. These markets are, exactly. Don't give it back. Don't give it back. We have 9 best deck shut down. Oh, well, let's see what happens. Support. Thank you so much, FW. See you, Natasha. Take care. And this market is definitely something you have to think twice what to do. I mean, so far, today was so far so good for me. Let me just do a quick recap with you guys, with some of you who are new. I mean, this month, I told you guys in the London session, I mean, I'm not making hundreds of thousands of dollars, but so far, this is my biggest month. $11,000 in payout from trading, which I'm super happy about. My biggest month before was $9,000, and now it's $11,000, and I'm very happy. But it did came up with the price, which means, hey, see you there, Natasha. I did came up with the price because I've lost 4 funded accounts. Now I'm down to 2 funded accounts at Apex, and let's see. So I have 2 funded accounts at Apex. These are almost new. Like this one has only $537. This one has $1,051. Now these 2 Bulenox accounts. I mean, I have 3 Bulenox funded accounts. So this one is at $3,838. I requested the payout, so should be having it on Wednesday. Requested another $1,500 from this account. So it is what it is. And this is only at $1,052. So this is 5 funded accounts. I have a day traders, but that's only evaluation. Today I managed to make $893 on this day traders account, but this is only eval. I just requested, oh, it's got deducted. Nice. I requested $1,300 something from Funded Futures Network. So this balance has just changed because it was higher, so they deducted the amount. So this is one more. There was more MyFundedFutures eval. but I got the funded accounts today. This is a starter plus account, which is also important. I'm gonna say why. I made today 1,000. Hopefully I will get it, and I still don't have the new pro account from Take Profit Trader, but this one passed already. So that makes it one and one more. Oh, this is a Top Step account at Project X at 1,058 something, whatever profit. So one funded account, I just have to activate it. I have another one at MyFundedFutures. That's 2, 3 plus 3. Okay, that's 6. Okay, 8 funded accounts currently, but I was up at least 10 or 11. No, actually more. I think I had 12. So it came with the price. Anyway. Barry, hello. No day off for you. No, I didn't check it yet. The Project X is basically Top Step, or I'm also going to buy a Tick Instant funded account. So with Quantower, you can connect to Project X servers too. So for example, if you don't want to trade on Project X web platform and you like Quantower, now Quantower, since a month ago or something, they updated their system and they're supporting Project X, so you can connect directly from any Project X provider through Quantower. So that's awesome. And also by saying that, I say that TickTickTrader has a promo which is ending this week. For Project X 50K account, instant funded account, $286. With the discount, you have to there. It's in the description. Tom Sabo 50 is going to give you a 50% discount on their Project X instant funded account at TickTickTrader, and you can trade it on Quantower too. But the main thing I wanted to say. How you trade in those accounts in the same time? Yeah, so I subscribe to Quantower advanced features, so you don't have to buy the full package. Advanced features is $27 with the discount. You can also use my code. I have discount code at Quantower, so it gives you 10% discount. Advanced features has the multiple connection feature in it. Now there's a built-in copy trader too in Quantower, and that's awesome. So built-in copy trader, and you subscribe to the advanced features, you can connect to as many prop firms as you want, and the copy trader is connecting everything for you. So if you want to, so I using the built-in OGS. It has a web platform, so you can trade on any browser basically. TopStep X is basically Project X, but Project X is being used by other prop firms too, like Bulenox, TickTickTrader, and some others too. I'm just excited because now I can trade with TickTickTrader on Quantower. So, and here's the deal. Anyway. And also, MyFundedFutures now released the last promo for this month. So the last promo at MyFundedFutures, the starter plus accounts are down to $89. New users receive a 50% discount, by the way. If you're brand new with MyFundedFutures, you receive a 50% discount. But you get a standard discount for the starter plus for $39. No activation fee, no daily loss limit. And you can trade the news, the tier 1 news, if you want to. 50% consistency on eval, but no consistency on the simulated funded account, right? Until Friday. So this is the biggest deal right now. $89, less rules, very good price. Just saying. The free reset is off. It was last week. The free the last week's promo was 3 resets in the price. but you know. Oh, yeah. So OGS, the copier is built into Quantower. So I use the built-in trade copier at Quantower. So you go here, you go to copy trading, and you can actually add any kind of copy trader you want. For example, you name it, you give a name to it, and you want the Bulenox account. Oh, and don't do the Bulenox. Let's use the Take Profit Trader account as a master account, and you can use an Apex account, or you can use a FUNDEDFutures network account as a slave, or you can use even a Project X account, and you can just save it, and boom, you're done. I'm not gonna run it now, but this is how simple it is. This is how simple to use a built-in copy trader at Quantower. Yeah, welcome. Absolutely. Okay, so we're still hovering in the middle. What to do here? Man, it's difficult to make a decision because this one also created an order block. Look at the man himself. Methodical man from the future. No, from the future. What's the guarantee? No guarantees today, man. I mean, look at this. You really want to trade it? Hey, it's good to see you. What's happening? But I still think that it can go higher. I mean, did we go to the 312? I think it can go higher, man. It might going to hover around here, but I see that this one can still go. Farhad, lost your live account with... Oh, they said I can only buy evaluation to live account. Oh, it depends on of how many accounts you bought earlier or before, because I did hear something that, like what Top Step is doing, that they might want to I mean, they don't want people to spend. I mean, it sounds crazy as I say it, but I mean, they don't want to. They don't want people to pour too much money into evals. If someone is constantly buying too much, they might gonna slow you down. Methodical man is long. I told you. This is gonna go up, man. This is gonna go up. Yeah, so we still have time. I think the early close is at 1 p.m., right? Oh, the first presentation gap. Well, since we did not have a market open, I mean, let me see. We do have a first presentation gap. I know this is the new favorite thing from ICT, and look at that, we traded below that. Now the thing is, on the 5-minute, this is an order block. Now the order block low is 250. Ooh, nice number. 250. I think it can go down, man. Now to think about it, because it's at 250, that's a nice round number. You know, took out liquidity as much as possible and then go down, deliver it to 250 just before the market open. Man, I feel like it can go down there now, short term. Oh, definitely. Actually, we already have a free Discord. I haven't put out the link. The problem is I don't have anyone who's helping me with the mod stuff. I'll put it out there. Oh man, you guys heard that from me. I know. I sincerely apologize. I'm way behind schedule on the Discord stuff. Oh, let me put this away. So I know, and I want to jump into a position. I really do. But I don't know if I should. Why do I feel like that this one can actually go down? But the thing is, the 15-minute okay, I'm not jumping into a short. I'll tell you why. If I really wanted to jump in a short, this was my opportunity here. This right there, and I missed it. So from now on, the best I can look for is maybe a shift to continue higher to that 337 maybe, and that's it. Yeah, this is, yeah, but this is what we have, you know. I know, it is what it is. But despite the fact that it's early close, and I must say that the London session, and so far the New York kill zone is still a little bit better than what we had 2 weeks ago. That was horrible. That price action was really bad. I mean, we were ranging in like a 10 points range. That was absolutely bad. You're a web designer. Oh, nice. That's good to know. Exactly. Yeah, we have the seasonal tendencies, all this stuff. Quite interesting. Now the thing is, I'm actually still looking, as I told you guys, looking for that 337. Now, I'm not going to jump in right now. So I just need to wait. If it wants to take out that 250, let it be. But I still need to wait for that. As much as I would like to jump into a trade, just can't. I can't do that, man. Okay. Okay, just waiting. 100 points, 1 minute NQ, bumps over. Yeah. Yeah, I know. I know. You wait for buy side liquidity level, then your plan is probably long position. Is it correct? Yeah, so if I go down, for example, now on the 1 minute, I'd say I'd like to see, that's a good area here. I'd like to see a shift here. So would be great to see a bullish market structure shift. And then look for a possible continuation up there to 337 from there. So that is something I'm still looking for. Now the tricky part in this is that 250 level, because that's a 5-minute order block low. So that's a tricky part. Okay, technically, by the way, technically speaking, we now just had a market structure shift if we count with the wick, right? So the high here, 76, okay, with one tick. All right, do we really want to do this? Uh, 71.65. I'm not sure. Do I have an account here that I can go with? I don't want to force anything. I really don't want to force anything that I don't have to. Okay. Very, very, very small position here. I mean, I can only go with evaluations in this market and hoping that maybe I can catch a nice move up there. Why not? Anyway, very small position. I entered too long, risking like 60 bucks. But hey, if it goes up to that area that I was hoping for, you guys know me. If you guys don't know me, I'm just saying I'm trading with micros, but you know, small positions adding up together. Oh, selling volume. Yeah, that's why I'm a little bit concerned about that 250 level. I don't really like it. Anyway, I took that long, you know, but if it goes for my stop, then at least I will know that it just wants to take out that 250. So where is it? Which account is that on? Man, I really have to. Okay, here we are. So if it goes down, at least I will know that we're going for 250. You know, the probe trade situation that we always used to do. But the big picture, whatever is going to happen down here, the big picture for me is still 337. I like it. I like it a lot. So okay. Now we know what it wants. It wants to go down. Whoa! Jose Garcia the Fifth. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, I think it just wants to chop around. Or F around. Oh, I have to change the banner here. Oh my god, I have to change the MyFundedFutures banner because it's for Starter Plus accounts. Where is it? Okay, now it's cool. Trump tweets. Yeah, maybe that would move the market for sure. Yeah, I'm out from this small position here. Kind of curious. If this one wants to go and take out that that sell side down there, which is 50, 250. Kind of curious about that. Yeah, the 15-minute definitely looks like an order block. Even the 5-minute looks like an order block. So, you know, anything is possible. I guess the spread is also a little bit wide. Anyway, let's see what happens. Does that have any spooky horror stories? Well, I don't have any spooky horror stories for you guys, but I'm trying to think of one, but maybe not today. Kevin, hello. Daily sweep, NQ. Yeah, markets are closed, but you know, we are gambling addicts. No, I was just wondering if we see some nice move. I was looking for that 337. Now it seems like it might want to break that 250. Who knows? Yeah. Quite interesting. This one here. The so-called silver bullet hour. Well, maybe on the, 15 seconds time frame or 30 seconds, whatever. Hey, what up, Natasha? You have a ghost? No way. You're listening, all right. Careful with those entities, you know. Oh, looks done at the low. Well, then we can continue higher maybe. It looks like it might want to go. I'm not sure. This could be a tricky one. Like everybody wants to see now that this one should fall down and then takes a shift, trades above the first fair value gap, and then goes up to the 300s. At this point, it's just hard to tell. Weird. A little bit weird. No joke? Whoa. That gets me scared, Natasha. Gets a little faster now. Okay. Well, looking forward to it. I'm actually curious what this one wants to do here. So the bullish breaker is still valid on the 5-minute here. I'm guessing there could be stops below the 50s, but I think it might just wants to spike up there. Again, if we trade through the first presentation gap, we might just have a possible opportunity. Is 283.75. 283. Okay, it might want to go up there to take some liquidity. Might want to go up to the 83s. There's a 1-minute gap there that has not been mitigated on the micro. That could be interesting too. So let's just see if this first presentation gap is going to hold or not. No way, Natasha. I would be scared. You lived in a haunted house? Oh my god. I'm gonna get really scared now. Where can I find a consistency chart? GetPay, I know most rough firms have. I did have one in an Excel sheet. It's actually not that difficult to create a consistency sheet for yourself, even in Google Sheets. Like, you know, just type in your daily profits and you will see the percentage, how you're doing. I mean, there's a, anyway, I don't know, but there is a way to do it in a sheet, but I don't know. Okay, look at that. It wants to go lower. Are we gonna go lower than the 50s? I'm really curious. So it went up to the first fair value gap. Now I don't know what's it doing. Hovering a little bit here. It might gonna go through to the upside. Best to wait it out. Google Sheets, yeah. I mean that's how I would try to do one. Just type in your daily profits and your profit goal, and there should be some kind of a equation to help you out with that. Well, well, well. Let's just wait then. What can we do, right? New 15-minute, 30-minute, 5-minute candles. Not far from the low of the order block. Let me check the low on the mini. The low is 48.50 actually on the mini. Who knows? Who knows what it wants? Oh wow. Did it just go down? Jeez. It did. Okay. Quite interesting. Previous day high is down there. So the order block has been broken. So far, that's all we have. Anyway, I'm still looking for some kind of a setup. Like from here, now that we've broken this area, I'm still waiting for a structure shift. And then we can go from there. I can... no, I'm going to leave that there. I'm going to leave the 292. Let's just consider this as a possible liquidity sweep. So I'm looking for a structure shift still in that first presentation gap. Nothing else to look for. One of the massacre. Come on, green. Wow. Wow. So no, I would not live there, green. I don't know, man. That's too scary. I don't know what to do. I feel like the more time goes, the more it seems like that this is just gonna slow down, and we're not gonna have that move which I was expecting up to the 300s, and that gives us basically no target. So that would be 15-minute bearish order block high. Okay, let me get this off. It's not important anymore. Going down. All right, what is London low here? This would be London low. There was no London open, but I'm gonna call it London low. I know. How far is that? 44 points. Previous day from the top. Let's see. Friday's low. Yeah. Friday's low is somewhere down here, right? 727. Correct? Somewhere in that area. Which is cool. And also we have like the Asia low in a good place. We have a 1 hour BC right down there below 167. So it's not like that far away. 74 points. The problem is I'm still not sold on the idea to go short here. Now, I see that there's a fair value gap in the making right now. And we have a market structure shift. On the 5-minute, which is cool. Order block down there too. You know what? Not bad. Not bad actually. Not that bad. The 3-minute looks okay. It's definitely risky. OTE entry. Just eyeballing it. With 2 micros, can we go for it? I guess we can. Why not? Why not? Okay, 53.50. 53.50 sell limit based at 53.50. Actually, that's not good. That's not good. Oh, it's good. Let's leave it for now. There's a bullish 5-minute. Oh, I see. What time frame is he on my chart? Looks nothing like this. I'm on the 5-minute time frame right now. You can always see my time frame down here in the down right corner. So right now I'm the 5-minute. If I switch, this is the 15-minute, and this is the 1-minute chart. Now maybe you're looking at a CFD chart because this is futures. I'm not sure, but I'm not sure which chart you're having. But maybe that's why. So I'm on the 5-minute right now. 1 hour bullish fair value gap on ES. Oh yeah, it's in there. Interesting, relative equal highs up in ES. What if this one wants to pick liquidity from below? Nothing down there on ES that is interesting, so it might as well just turn around, and if it does, it will pull NQ up there. Okay, back to 5-minute chart. Here is the optimal trade entry. I'm gonna move it down to 53. Okay, my limit entry. Moving it down to 53. We'll see what happens. For now, it's still in an ideal condition. Position. We're gonna leave it there. If we go down, then London low and Asia low could be a good target, but I don't have high hopes for this. Why 250? Because that is somewhere below the midpoint of this swing here. So there's a swing point on the 5-minute all the way down there, and here's 50% of that swing level, and that's 254.25. Now we do have some spread and slippage, who knows, and so 53 should be ideal if I want to target the 50% retracement level. So that's why. Yeah, bank holiday, Royce. Yeah. Lisa, I got out from the short. I were nervous. So now I blew the what? Yeah, that's a good idea. Well, I guess tomorrow will be better. I mean, we have news, quite a few news this week, right? We have some stuff going on. $60 may be a pivot point. Yeah, could be. Could be. Nothing. I mean, I mean, you can copy my trades, but I strongly advise you against it. So, because I mean, yeah, sometimes we have some good trades in the stream. I mean, I guess I can say that we have some good trades, but the risk management, you know, could be different. I don't know what account you are using, and I mean, I would not copy trade myself. That's for sure. So I'm strongly advising not to copy trade. Obviously, if you want, suit yourself, but I don't think it's a good idea to copy my trades. I mean, you know, not because I don't want you to. I wish I could say that, but if I'm having a losing streak, then I don't want to bear with that emotional responsibility. It's up to you. I mean, you will decide. Looking at positions, I'll probably change my bias for the one. Yeah, we might have to. The market close is 1 p.m. I think, Natasha. Yeah, 99.99. Exactly. I would say my win ratio is this: 50% of the time, every time. 50% of the time, every time. So don't worry, it's cool. And obviously, even if you copy trade me, or anyone copy trades me, the thing is, I do trade off stream as well, and sometimes I get also lucky, sometimes I go crazy or not, so my accounts may not be synchronized with the stream. Now you know. Juan Carlos 2901, welcome to the channel. Thank you for joining. Welcome to the stream. Oh yeah, some prop firms want you to cut the positions at 12. So just keep that in mind. Whatever happens, I don't want to be in a position after 12. I guess, for example, Apex and I think Take Profit Trader, maybe MyFundedFutures, they let you to trade until 12:50 maybe, or 12:59. I don't want to be in any trade after 12, to be honest. I mean, why force it? Obviously. And I might even delete my limit order here, because this is just, so this is what I think is going to happen here. Something like that. This maybe a bit of a move up, then down, and then consolidation. And now I extended it to 8 p.m. But okay, then let me go down to the 1 minute chart and let me demonstrate how I think this will go. So when is the market close? The market close is here. Okay. So until the market close, this is what I expect. That's it. That is what I think is going to happen. So, hey, Ion Void, welcome. It was like, is there a better alternative to Forex Factory calendar? Investing.com, maybe you can try that. Investing.com, I think they have also, or MyFX book has also a calendar. I used to look for investing.com too. There is a economic calendar somewhere up there. You can find it. You can put it to your bookmarks. That's also quite good. Yeah, I mean, that's the goal. But obviously, I mean, I was starting out years ago, I also thought that maybe copy trading could be a good idea, but That's actually not a good idea. Even if that person is good. So let's just assume that you're copy trading from someone who is really good in trading. You're not going to learn too much from copy trading. So that's not going to do you too much good. Yeah, maybe you can make a bit of a money there, but it's not a long-term perspective, obviously. Yeah, exactly. You're welcome. I don't buy that. Yeah, this price action, and this is why I say I think that's what we can expect in the rest of the session. The 25k static accounts are just $8. Jesus. Oh well, it doesn't matter then. Then it doesn't matter. Nothing. Yeah. I don't know if there are going to be earnings later. I think tomorrow maybe. Let me see what news we have for the rest of the week. Durable goods. I think it was earnings that I was looking at for this week. FOMC. Unemployment claims. Core PCE. I mean, that's decent. That's decent enough. That's all right. And maybe we have earnings, right? ECB president. I think that's already done. He slowly do copy trading with micros. I mean, yeah, I'm not saying like that copy trading. Copy trading is good. I was meant that if someone is copy trading my trades from the stream. But yeah, I know Nutty is he's a turtle trader, but now he's doing very good. So respect to Nutty. I like the way he. I remember years ago, I saw him first, even before Patrick Wieland got onto his stream. I saw him trading, and he was also doing like, let's just say it out, like some stupid stuff, just like I did. And now eventually he gets those payouts. So that's a very good progress there. I think he's great. Yeah, could be ProFest guy. Yeah. $8.8 for lifetime. That's nothing basically. Yeah, that's true. Push it. Yeah. I'm not really interested to trade this market, to be honest. Not really interested in this. Just not my thing. You know. Yeah, humans are weird. We are all. Anyway, by the way, since we have some more people here right now, I must say, I mean, if everything goes well, I will be on MyFundedFutures TV tomorrow from 11:30 a.m. until 12:30 a.m. If you guys would like to join. I will be streaming tomorrow London and New York session too, and that's the thing. So I'll be here tomorrow as scheduled, you know, the usual times. And let's go for a commercial here. If you know what to do, if you really think you're a good trader, never forget, the best deals always come with the best cheat code out there, which is Tom Sabo. You want to have a good time, you want to look good, you want to look beautiful, or you just want to drink a cold beer. Who cares? Just go to the movies, have a good time, you know. Use the code, it's gonna help your life, and it's gonna make it much better. Thank you for considering. Sponsored by Tom Sabo's YouTube. All right. Anyway, just wanted to say that I think I'm gonna sign off, everybody. If you would like to support the channel, check out the best deals with the best code out there, which is Tom Sabo. I would greatly appreciate and be grateful if you support the stream. The same code goes for all these prop firms. Some good sales are going on with MyFundedFutures as well. 30% off from the Starter Plus. Check it out. Take Profit Trader. No activation fee. Daily payouts. The Bulenox 91% sale is still on. The Funded Futures network, buy one, get one for free, is still on. So we have lots of good stuff going on and ending this week. So thank you so much, everybody. I'll be back tomorrow for London stream and New York as well, and hopefully in MyFundedFutures TV, who knows. Everybody, it was a great day. Enjoy the rest of the day. I think I'm signing off. This is it. So God bless you all. I love you all. Everything's great and awesome, and see you guys tomorrow in London session, all right? God bless everybody. Cheers.